Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to find cryptocurrencies for day trading or scalping using the TradeHive. So let's start. In the beginning we see a large table. It is an order book screener. It represents all coins from the selected exchange. For example, now Binance Spot is selected. Each coin has a limit orders from order book, and here we see the top limit orders for the coin. For example, we can open each coin and see full list of limit orders for this coin. But in the beginning, the table is very large, and to be honest, navigation through the table is very hard, so we need to adjust some settings. So let's start with the filter tab. The first setting we'd like to adjust is the limit orders filter. We would like to exclude small limit orders. So for Binance Spot, I would suggest to put 80K. And now we see that in real time, a lot of limit orders disappeared from the table. So let's continue. The next setting we'd like to adjust is the volume filter. I would suggest to put here 500. So it excludes dead coins from the table because we don't want to trade a dead coin. Now, a limit order distance. It is a distance from the current price to the limit order. I would suggest here to put from 3 to 5. It's up to you. I would put 5. The last setting is the limit order live in minutes. So it means how many minutes this limit order exists in the order book. I would suggest to put here 20 minutes. And the last checkbox is hiding coins which do not match the filter, because now we see all the coins and a lot of coins are empty. So when we click on this checkbox, all coins which do not match the filter disappear. Now we see that order book screener is much cleaner than before. But the question is how to find the cryptocurrency we'd like to trade. And to answer to this question, we need to select the asked bids ratio sorting. It shows the delta between bids and asks in order book for each coin. And for example, here we have a Uni coin which shows us that bids in the order book is larger than asks. And when we over on the candles, we can see the lightweight chart which shows the levels of the limit orders. And now we can open this coin and see that these limit orders have bright colors. It means that these limit orders are large for this coin. We can open the full heat map of limit orders for this coin, and here we see these limit orders. And now we can see how price goes from this limit order. For example, already the price rebound from this limit order, and we can predict that after some minutes the price would rebound from this limit order again. And we need to track if this limit order will disappear, the price will go down fast. So we analyzed one UniUSDT coin and we find a perfect trading spot for, I don't know, for 2 minutes. Now we would like to open another coins and maybe select another situation. So for example, ETC, now we have limit orders which are not, to be honest, interesting. But here we see a large wall of limit order in 2% distance. So what can we do? We can put a price notification and select here to get email alert. So when the price will cross this line, we will get an email notification, and after that we can react on this limit order. Depends on the situation, or price rebounding or price breaking. As you noticed, I am watching a spot market, and for example, we would like to see how the heat map of limit orders looks like for futures market. And here we have a very helpful swap button. And now we can see the futures market of this coin. And here we also see the wall of limit orders which disappeared. So it means that if from the spot market this limit order also will be disappeared, the price can go down very fast. And for example, here we also see the price rebound from this limit order, and then when this limit order was disappeared, the price fast go down. So using this screener, this information, you can easily find the very good setups for day trading or scalping. You can choose here not only Binance Spot, you can choose Binance Futures. And here we see that in the table for Binance Futures, much more coins match the filter. So if you would like to adjust your settings for Binance Futures, you just adjust your limit orders filter here in the settings. The same is for Bybit Futures. Also, I would like to pay your attention to the chart. So, for example, if you know which coin exactly you want to track, for example, you would like to track Bitcoin. So here you can choose coin you want. For example, you want to track a Bitcoin and it is selected by default. So for example, we can choose a large time frame for 1 hour. Now we see the full heat map of limit orders for the Bitcoin. In the right side, we can see an order book, and we hover on the limit order from the order book. The price will be highlighted here. So for example, I hover on this limit order and this limit order is highlighted from the chart. And as we can see, we can click on each limit order in the heat map and read the full technical information about this limit order. In the right side, we also have a watchlist pane. So if you track some coins, for example, from order book screener, and you liked some coin as we liked before, Uni, you can add this coin to watch list, go back to the chart, and this coin will appear in this pane, and we can easily to navigate from the selected coins from the watch list. Also, in the last pane, we can manage our alerts. For example, as you remembered, I created a price alert from ETC. We can click on it and automatic redirection will happen, and we will see the full chart of ETC with limit orders and our price alert. Additionally, chart has a lot of technical indicators, which can be splitted by three categories. Order book indicators, it shows the delta between asks and bids. It is liquidation indicators for the futures, and it's basic indicators like open interest, RCI, etc. So again, you can configure the chart as you want, and when you select the coin from the order book screener, all the applied settings indicators on the chart will be also applied to this chart. So as you can see, it's a brilliant way how to find the great setups for the trading. Again, sorting asks bids ratio or bids asks ratio. Here we can open the coin, see the sell. If it is bright, we need to click it and check this limit order. Again, one more great setup. Let's put the price alert here. Just go through these coins and try to find your setups. For example, let's open F. Oh, one more great setup. Let's put the price alert and add this coin to the watch list. Let's see what happens in the futures. Oh, in this price level, we had a liquidation. Nice. So that's all. Thank you for your attention. I hope that you will find this approach, how to find the cryptocurrency for day trading using TradeHive, helpful. And do likes, don't do dislikes, subscribe on my channel. Goodbye.